Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join Blox Fruit's Discord server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll also be giving some tips on how to join if the Blox Fruit's Discord server is full. Start by going to the Roblox website on your default browser. Make sure you go to the official website, then sign into your account if you aren't already. Head to the top and open a new tab. Type discord.com into the address bar, then press enter. Click the login button in the top right corner, then sign into your Discord account if you aren't already. Now open Discord and click the Add a Server button on the side. Head over and select Join a Server. Type Blox Fruits into the invite link box, then press the Join button. If you get a "This server is full" message, then I recommend leaving this window open and clicking the Join button a few times randomly through the day. Alternatively, open the Discover page from the side of Discord. Head to the top and select the search box, then type in Blox Fruits and press enter. Find the official Blox Fruits server. It will typically have 2 million members, then click on it. If the server is full, then you will get a message. Just click anywhere to close it. Both methods require you to keep trying to join to get in. However, for some reason, I have had more luck getting into full servers this way. Although it technically requires there to be room for you twice, as you will need to click the Join Server button at the top to get in once the server preview opens. Another option is to try when less people tend to be on their devices. This usually from 4 to 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, or 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Central Time. Other time zones are also considerable. Once you manage to get in, you will see a welcome message. Close the window, then head the side and select the verification channel. Here, type /verify into the message box, then send the message. You will now receive a message from the Blox Link app. Choose to verify with Blox Link. Make sure it is taking you to the correct website, then click the Visit Site button. Your web browser will now open. Click the Sign In button and you will be taken to the connection page. Here, it says what Blox Link will have access to from your Discord account. Go to the bottom and click the Authorize button. Go to the side and make sure you're on the Verifications page. Then click the Verify Now button. Click the Next button. Ensure you're on the correct account, then click the Continue button. Ensure you're happy with the permissions, then click the Confirm and Give Access button. Scroll down once you're back on the Blox Link website. Then select the Blox Fruits Discord server and click Confirm. Head back to Discord and you should now be able to use the server. If you aren't, then there may be a verification requirement that you don't meet. You can see all the current verification requirements that a Discord server may have here. I believe the Blox Fruits server is set to medium. And that's it. So that's basically how you can join Blox Fruits Discord server. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.